Let us now do our next topic, that is propagation or combination of error. Propagation or combination of error means how do errors propagate when any physical calculation takes place. Means calculation here we are talking about when two physical quantities are added, subtracted, divided, multiplied, then how does the error can be calculated. Let us go to the formula. Error in sum. Error in sum means let any physical quantity x is represented by sum of two physical quantities of same nature. Right? Let us consider delta A is the absolute error in A and delta B is the absolute error in B. So delta x will be equal to plus minus delta A plus delta B. That is, the errors will be added. So in that case the final result can be written as x plus minus delta x, or so delta x means the final result we calculated x plus minus delta x. This we will explain with the help of numericals. Similarly, second case, error in propagation, error in subtraction. Subtraction means here we are talking about that x is any physical quantity which is represented by difference of two physical quantities of same nature. Again, if delta A and delta B are the errors in A and errors in B, in that case the error in the subtraction is also delta A plus delta B. It means we will represent the error again by the addition of these two. Means either the physical quantity represent the addition or the subtraction, the error will always be added. Let us consider the example to understand this. Here we are given C1 means the value of capacitance 1 equal to 1.3 plus minus 0.1. Here 1.3 is its measured value and 0.1 is the percentage of error. What that means, the value of capacitance can be 1.2 either or 1.4. Similarly, C2 is another value of capacitance having the value 2.4 plus minus 0.2, means this value can lie between 2.2 to 2.6 microfarad. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate total capacity with percentage error when these are connected in parallel. Right? We know that when the two capacitors are connected in parallel, then their net capacitance C is equal to sum of these two capacities. It means this is the case of the addition. Now first of all we will calculate C. C is equal to 1.3 plus 2.4 is equal to 3.7. And now this represent delta C1 and this represent delta C2. As I have told you that when the addition takes place, the error will be added. So it means delta C can be written as 0.1 plus 0.2 and plus 1 plus minus. So that is equal to 0.3 plus minus 0.3. It means the net value will vary by 3.7 plus minus 0.3. Or the result can be written as C is equal to 3.7 plus minus 0.3. Now we have to write with respect to percentage error. Percentage error can be calculated by the formula as we recapitulate it. It is given by mean absolute error upon the mean value. Now absolute error is 0.3. So percentage can be find out 0.3 divided by 3.7 into 100%. So calculating this value, we get the value of plus minus 8.1%. Right? So we can write the result also like C is equal to 3.7 plus minus 8.1%. So this is the final result in terms of percent error. Similarly, we can solve such situations when there are a difference in the physical quantities. The same step will be followed and the error will be added.